Do you like stacking Silver Eagles but don't like paying insanely high premiums? Well, unfortunately, I have bad news for you. It appears that the Silver Eagle premiums are going up. Yeah, it's unfortunate but true, and I'm going to show you that in today's video if you stick with me. I hope that you do, because I've been tracking Silver Eagle premiums for a long time. And the fact is that this time last year, March of last year, April, May of last year, the premiums on Silver Eagles, depending on the retailer, was nearly double spot. We were seeing $20 an ounce over spot for just one Silver Eagle. And then going into the end of last year, you saw a dramatic decrease, and it continued into the beginning of this year. There were even sales on Silver Eagles where you could get them for just $3.99 over spot. That is a dramatic premium drop of nearly 80% compared to where it was in March. And unfortunately, it appears that the dropping on Silver Eagle premiums is over. Not only did we see them level out at the end of last month, but we are starting to see them creep back up. And it's not just Silver Eagles. It's generic silver rounds as well. We are starting to see the premiums on these move up also. So like I said, stick with me because I'm going to show you this data and you're going to see how the premiums are actually starting to move back up. But before we do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys helping me continue to grow the channel. My channel is sponsored by sdbullion.com. New customers can get their first order of gold or silver at spot by going to sdbullion.com/new. Now, if you've been watching for a while, you know how I do this video. I go to online retailers, I get screenshots from their website, and I look at those premiums and I track them so I can see how they're going up and how they're going down over the course of time. Unfortunately, we are going to be making a change. Now, to be completely honest with you, this is a change I've been considering for a while, even before this happened. However, I did get an email from one of the online retailers that I normally use in these videos asking me, and by the way, it was very nice, but they asked me if I would stop using screenshots from their website in my videos. And so I'm going to comply so it doesn't go any farther with possible cease and desist, because if you look at many websites, they have a lot of terms of use of their website built in that would prevent me from using the screenshots. So we're just going to cut that out completely and move forward this way. So we're going to take a look at coin shop number one. We're going to do Silver Eagles and then silver rounds after that. And by coin shop, I do mean online retailer. Online retailer number one, we're just going to do numbers now. We have Silver Eagles, any date, random year, and that's going to be the same for all 7 of our online Silver Eagle retailers. And we look at quantity 1 to 19, payment, check, or wire, because why pay the extra fee for credit card if you don't have to? And this retailer had premiums on Silver Eagles at $8.49 over spot. This is $1 more than where the same retailer had it last time we did this video. That is a premium of 33.96%. Our second retailer is very close to that, and take a look. This is a sale price. In other words, $8.39 over spot is a sale price for this retailer. $8.39 over spot, which is a premium of 33.56%. Wow. All right, next up, and by the way, that one's up as well. So their sale price is higher than their regular price last time we did this video. All right, retailer number 3, we have hard premiums at $7.79, 31.16% over spot. Same thing. That is up from where the same retailer was last time we did this video. Next one, we have online retailer number 4. Ooh, you know what I should do now that I'm doing it this way is put like an up arrow or a down arrow to say if it's up or down. But I know that online retailer number 4 is also higher than where they were last time we did this video by a full $1.49 over spot. Last time we did this video, it was $4.99 for this retailer. Today it's $6.49, 25.96%. Now our next retailer, number 5, has a premium of $5.49 an ounce over spot. This is the only retailer of all 7 where the premium did not change and did not go up. At $5.49, they had a premium of 21.96%. Again, 1 to 19 at check and wire. Now retailer number 6, this one did go up from last time. $5.41, 21.64% over spot for 1 ounce Silver Eagles. And finally, our cheapest retailer is number 7 at $5.20 an ounce over spot, a premium percentage of basically 20%. So let's take a look at that over the course of time. You can see we have our line chart right here. This is May 8th of 2023 at 1861. That is average. Some retailers were over 20 an ounce over spot. You can see we had a sharp decline even from May to June, and then right here from June to September, a huge decline from an average of 18 down to an average of 721. It continued to slowly decline, like I said, until January, where it kind of leveled off. We had an average from January at 591 to 611 in February at February 29th, And now today it's up to $6.75 an ounce over spot. Now, of course, it's all relative to spot price. So if we scroll over, we can take a look at percentage premiums, and same thing, we see that sharp decline right here, and you see it level off January 25.38%. But even percentage premium, in other words, how much over spot percentage wise is going up. We go from 25.38 to 26.67 to today at 27% average of the 7 shops that we track. So unfortunately, we are definitely seeing the premiums for Silver Eagles go back up. And to be 100% honest with you, I don't know why. I don't see a shortage. I don't see any retailers running out of Silver Eagles. All the wholesalers have plenty of them in stock. So I don't know why the numbers are going back up, other than maybe demand is increasing and they're worried about maybe an inventory issue with Eagles later. But that doesn't explain silver rounds, because I don't think there's going to be an issue with inventory on silver rounds. Everyone is flush with silver rounds. Coin shops have tons of them. And yet the premiums on silver rounds are moving up just a little bit as well. Let's take a look, because I track these online retailers to see what they're doing silver rounds for, and the same thing, they're starting to creep back up. So let's go ahead and take a look at those online retailers and see what they want for silver rounds, because I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you these numbers are way too high for a lot of these retailers. Let's take a look. Our highest one, and this, by the way, just like with Silver Eagles, this is the cheapest one they have available on their website. I looked at everything, even sale prices. The cheapest silver they had on their website the time I did this video was $3.89 over spot. That is a premium of 15.56%. I don't see the demand being there to support this number, but sure enough, there it is. Number 2, we have 309, quite a bit lower than 389. 309 at 12.36%. Check and wire 1 to 19. We're not including shipping. We're just looking at the hard raw premiums. 309 over spot. Online retailer number 3, $3 an ounce over spot. That is exactly 12% premium. This is on uncirculated random designs. Shop number 4. Now this is on a specific design that was on their website, and it is a sale price. $2.99 over spot. $2.99 over spot on sale. Just a couple of months ago, we were seeing sale prices on 1 ounce rounds under $2 an ounce over spot. Next up, we have 1 to 19, $2.35 for uncirculated random design 1 ounce silver rounds. Now this is getting back into the realm of where, I'm okay with. I don't want to pay $2.35. I'd rather be like $1.50, but at least it's not $3.89 over spot, right? Next retailer, $2.25 over spot. This is a percentage premium of 9%. That is 9% over spot. And then finally, we have $1.60. Now this is on a specific design on this retailer's website, and it is a sale price, but $1.60 over spot is much more where I would like to be for 1 ounce silver rounds. Let's go ahead and take a look at this chart really quick, just like we did for Silver Eagles. And you can see right here, May 8th of 2023, 491. And look at this, by the way, 592 right here. This is November of 2022. So we can still be happy that we're not here, but still, this is unreal. So you can see we have been trending down. 491, 418, 374, 347. Keep in mind, this is averages, $3. So some of these are higher, some are lower, but the average $3, 260, 258. So even though it kind of leveled off, it was still a little bit lower right here. And then all of a sudden, here we are going up to 293, which is basically where we were in November. So it's basically reversed course. And while it doesn't look as strong of a change on percentage premium, you can see percentage premium, it actually even went up in February from 11.16 to 11.27. And then today, 11.71% over spot for 1 ounce silver rounds. So premiums are creeping back up, nothing like they did back in Silver Squeeze, nothing like they did, even with the banking scares of last year, but they are creeping up for sure. So what can we do to avoid paying those higher premiums? Well, the best thing we can do is always shop around and look for the best price and pay attention to sales, because even with the premiums going back up, I am seeing really good sales on rounds, on bars, and even Eagles occasionally will be on sale much lower than the average price that we're seeing today. And if you're looking to add more silver to your perma stack, if you're looking to get more silver for your money, not collectible silver, it's totally different. If you're looking to just get more bulk silver for your money, take a look and take advantage of those sales. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Make sure you check out this video above if you haven't seen it yet, because it's a great one and YouTube thinks you will like it. And other than that, have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time.